Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the exact OS and app version so you know which fixes apply. Once done, restart the device and the app. This clears transient glitches that often break search. Next, temporarily disable any VPN or proxy because routing can block search queries. While you do these steps, keep an eye on recent updates or installs that coincide with the problem. They're often the root cause. Make sure to proceed only after each restart completes fully. Now you'll inspect search-specific settings and the indexing state. Open the app or system search settings and verify indexing is enabled and up to date. A stale or corrupt index stops search results. Next, clear the search cache and any local index files to remove corruption. This forces a fresh build. If available, trigger a manual rebuild or re-enable the indexing service. This can take minutes but restores searchable content. While rebuilding, avoid heavy disk use so the process finishes reliably. Finally, apply advanced fixes. Update or reinstall search-related components, including search app updates or system patches, because missing files often break functionality. Then run built-in troubleshooters or reset app permissions to ensure access to files and services. Permissions errors are a common silent culprit. Once complete, test multiple queries and content types. If the search still fails, create a new user profile to isolate the problem. If it works there, migrate data. One troubleshooting tip: check logs for permission or index errors to guide deeper fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.